Happy morning, children. Today we are going to learn the 6th lesson and it's a story. The name of the lesson is Rhea and the Sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird, okay? So Rhea and the Sparrow. So let's go to the story. When Rhea failed in 2 subjects, she felt very sad. Why she was sad? She failed in 2 subjects like English, Malayalam, Hindi, Math, Social Studies. Like that, in 2 of the subjects, Rhea failed. Fail means did not score good marks. So, there is a limit for you to pass an exam. She failed means she had less marks so that she could not go to the next thing. So, when Rhea failed in 2 subjects, she felt very sad. She could not stop crying. Her mother tried to explain to her, work hard, do your best, and you will surely get good marks. So, what did her mother tell? It's okay, don't be sad, you can get better marks next time if you work hard and do your best. That's okay, you got less marks and you failed for 2 subjects, but try to get good marks next time. But nothing she said calmed Rhea. So whatever the mother kept telling Rhea, she was not ready to accept. She kept on crying and she did not become calm. But nothing she said calmed Rhea. What do you mean by calmed? Made quiet or peaceful, did not make her happy, did not change her sadness to happiness. She refused to go to school again. But what did she do? She did not want to go to school again. When mommy was telling her to go to school, she did not want to go to school. Next day, as Rhea was looking out of a window, she saw a sparrow trying to build her nest. So what did she see when she was looking out of the window? She saw a sparrow, and sparrow is a bird. And what was the bird doing? The bird was building a nest, was making a nest. The whole day it kept on bringing twigs and leaves to build the nest. So what did she do? She was watching the sparrow making the nest. The whole day it was bringing twigs. Sticks means what? Small, thin, dry branches without leaves. When the tree branches fall, all the leaves get shed off and only the branches will be there, dried branches. That is called twig. So this sparrow was going and getting twigs and leaves to build the nest. It was a windy day. What type of a day it was? It was a windy day. Lot of wind was there. The air was moving very fast and it was a windy day. The wind kept blowing away the sticks and leaves the sparrow had brought, but that did not stop the sparrow. Finally, the nest was ready. So Rhea was seeing the wind is taking away the twigs and the leaves, what the sparrow is bringing and making the nest. But still, did the sparrow stop it? No, the sparrow kept on building the nest. And at the end, the nest was made and it was ready. Rhea was very impressed by this. What do you mean by impressed? Felt or admired seeing that or something because you think they are good and interesting. Impressed means feeling admiration for somebody or something because you think they are good and interesting. Was impressed means when you write very neatly, the teacher will come next to you and say, hey, I am impressed. I am taken away. I am very happy with the way you are writing. So Rhea was very impressed by this. She was taken off by seeing that the bird making the nest. She told her mother about it. Her mother said, "The sparrow is the best example of try till you succeed." So what did the mother tell? Rhea, as you all do, went and told that what she saw to her mother. So her mother is telling, that is the best example for what I told. Try till you succeed. That means you have to keep on trying till you can gain that goal or achieve that goal. Maybe the first time you are not able to write A properly, but you are writing again and again and again. At the last, you will have a beautiful A written. So like that, the mummy is saying, try till you succeed. It is a good example. The sparrow story is a good example. If you also keep on studying hard, you will succeed like the sparrow. So the mother is so nice. The mother is telling the child, don't worry, like the sparrow, you also study every day. Keep on studying harder and harder. So what happened? At the last, you will have good marks. Rhea understood what her mother was saying. So now, Rhea was taken back with her mother's words. Till that, did she accept? Did she accept when her mother told? She did not be calm. Now, she became calm. After listening to her mother and seeing the sparrows building nest, she was very happy and she was not sad. She knew that she could get better marks next time if she tries hard. Rhea understood what her mother was saying. The next morning she got ready to go to school. On her way to school, Rhea thanked the sparrow. So who taught Rhea a lesson? The small sparrow, the tiny sparrow's life changed Rhea's life. Like that, in our life also, maybe small things which you consider very small can change our life. Maybe when a child is crying, if you go and ask, what happened? She'll feel happy. When a child fell down, when your friend falls down, if you go and help her to get up and clean her wound, she will be the most happiest person. So she will also learn how to help others and she will thank you. So like that, we have to be ready to learn from the things we see around. Okay, so like Rhea, we also have to keep eyes open to see the good things that is happening around and learn a lesson from it. So hope you understood the lesson. Shall we go to the new words? Explain, to make clear or easy to understand. The teacher explains the lesson again and again for us to understand. Explain means make it clear. Tell it again and again and make it easy for you to understand. Calmed, made quiet and peaceful. The child was calmed by her mother. When the child fell down, the teacher went to the child and calmed her. Okay. Whole, full or complete. We should eat a whole meal every day. That means full energy, what gives to our body. We should eat all different types of food which gives us different vitamins, minerals to our body. Twigs, small, thin, dry branches without leaves. Impressed, feeling admiration for somebody or something because you think they are good and interesting. Succeed, to turn out well. Succeed, try until you succeed. It's a proverb. So you have to keep on trying harder and harder. If you fail one time, no problem, try the second time. Maybe still you will not get. Third time you try, and that is how you win your goal. Is the lesson clear? Shall we go to the exercise? So shall we do the exercise now? Tick the correct answer on page number 26. Rhea's mother tried to explain to her that she should start working hard. She should stop crying. What did she keep on telling? she should start working hard. Very good. When Rhea did not pass in her test, she decided not to go to school. Her mother shouted at her. What did she do? She decided not to go to school. What did Rhea learn from the sparrow? Rhea learned, learn, past tense is learned. So, the story happened and she has already learned something from that. So, past tense of learn is learned. Rhea learned that one should try hard till one succeed. Or till you gain something, you have to keep on trying. Why did Rhea thank the sparrow? Rhea thanked the sparrow because sparrow taught her to try hard till she succeed. Once again, why did Rhea thank the sparrow? Rhea thanked the sparrow. Again, thank past tense, thanked. Rhea thanked the sparrow because sparrow taught her to try hard till one succeed. Okay, till she succeed, she has to try again and again. Teach past tense, taught. Teach past tense, taught. Why did Rhea refuse to go to school? Refuse means did not want to go to school. Rhea refused to go to school because she was very sad as she had failed in 2 subjects. Why did she did not want to go to school? Because she had failed in 2 subjects. Now, find and write the opposite of the following words from the story. Past, failed. She failed in 2 subjects. Failed. Past, opposite, failed. Worst, best. Worst, best. Begin, stop or end. Begin, stop. Laugh, laughing, crying. Laughing, crying. If it is laugh, what is the opposite? Cry. Laughing, crying. Hope this lesson is clear. Read this lesson several times so that you can improve your vocabulary, you can learn pronunciations, you get better words to form sentences or to frame sentences. So keep on reading. That will improve your reading skill and writing skill. See you in next class.